Welcome back to Unlocked. Today we're diving into a product that combines life safety, compliance and smart control in one powerful package, the Dormakaba SafeRoute escape door system. Whether you're installing in a shop, a school, hospital, office building or commercial space, SafeRoute gives you full control over emergency exit doors while ensuring that they still meet strict safety expectations. So what is SafeRoute? At its heart, it's an electrically controlled emergency exit system that's designed to meet BSEN 13637 standards. This is the product standard for escape door security systems. Now, EN 13637 isn't mandatory in the UK just yet. It's a voluntary standard, but using a compliant system like SafeRoute is widely seen as best practice, helping you deliver safer buildings, greater peace of mind and fewer headaches for your clients. So how does it work? Well, at the heart of the system is the SafeRoute control unit, which links to components like door locking devices, smoke detectors and fire alarm systems. It's all modular and works via Dormakaba's DCW bus system, which keeps wiring tidy and intelligent. You also get an illuminated emergency exit button with colour-coded light ring, audible alarms and tamper monitoring built into the system, and automatic locking, configurable time delays and real-time alerts if a door is opened unexpectedly. It even offers dual relay outputs so you can integrate it into existing access control or fire systems for immediate release in an emergency. One of the big wins here is control flexibility. SafeRoute supports central control of all doors, sectional control for larger buildings, and even remote monitoring through systems like TMS Soft. So if someone triggers an emergency exit, you can be instantly alerted and see exactly which door was activated. No more guesswork, no more running back and forth. Another great feature is the licensing model. With several tiers such as Mini, Basic, Standard, Premium and Premium VDS, you only pay for the functionality that you need. Want to start small? No problem, you can upgrade the kit later without replacing the hardware. That means more flexibility and better future-proofing, especially for multi-site projects. Installers who choose the SafeRoute kit also receive free training on the system from Dormakaba themselves to ensure their knowledge on the product is second to none. The SafeRoute is available now from Aldridge Security as a special order, so if you've got a project or client that needs smart escape door control with real compliance behind it, this is the bundle to look at. To learn more, give our access control team a shout or check out the product on our website. And as always, like, subscribe, hit the bell for more trade-focused walkthroughs right here on Unlocked. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.